Good morning, Zikri. My name is Dava.
Good morning. Pleasure to meet you, Dava.
So, please take a seat and tell me about yourself.
Thank you. First of all, a brief introduction about myself. I am a fresh graduate from Nusa University. I moved from Sukabumi with my family. I am currently seeking a reputable company that I can work my skill and expertise will learn at the same time.
We have a job opening for assistant finance. Do you think you can handle the job?
I would love to learn with your company.
Do you have any working experience?
I have an intern job when finishing my degree. I am a hard worker and willing to work harder to meet the company working standard.
That is great. Do you mean working long hours to understand our system?
I understand what it takes to be a newcomer. You need to put more effort.
Do you have any question?
What about salary and incentive?
A fresh graduate will earn about 4 million rupiah. Nice. Okay, we will be in contact.
Thank you for your time.